Raleigh fucking Meats, man. We out here turn shit on lane shit, Raleigh Meats edition. We out here doing the big, trying to put Raleigh, North Carolina on the map. Shout out to my mans here in the Infinities. Shout out to Eric Carr, welcome. We big out here, you heard? Raleigh Meats that way. Checking with my man with the Infinity game, you heard?
What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Big Boss Glory, man. You already know we back with another banger, man. Hey, today is the day, my nigga. We popping out at another meet, bro. Look, I be going to car meets, but I always leave my... Who the fuck? Fucking it up, man. They fucking up the vlog, man. But look, man, I always go to car meets, bro, but I forget to take my camera like a dumbass, bro. That shit be lit as fuck, too. I went to this one big one. I got pulled over. But I left the camera at the crib, bro. But I got some of it on my phone, though, so you know me, shit. Nigga, hey, I pull out the phone whenever, bro. I ain't missing shit. But nah, look, though. Shit, before I go to the goddamn, before we pop out in the meet, because I think it's in an hour. It's like, it's 5 o'clock right now, with the meet start at 6, so we gonna pop out. But I gotta go meet the bros. We gonna wash our shit. You already know me, bro. I can't pull up to the meet with my car looking dirty, bro. I just got back in town. I can't do that, bro. I can't, bro. But look, though, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Matter of fact, like, comment, and subscribe, bro. And I'm gonna get back on this bitch, bro, and I'll link up with them boys, man. It's your boy Big Boss Glory, and I'm out, man. All right, man. I pulled up to the spot. I'm at this bitch a little early. These niggas not even here, bro. But I'm not gonna lie. Whatever the fuck these bitches is busting, boy. Look. I ain't gonna lie, y'all gotta try these shit. Oh, so motherfucking good, boy. Nigga almost died in here. I don't know where these niggas at. They said they was pulling up, so shit. We gonna hear they are. I don't know, I might keep the camera on till they pull up. See what them niggas on, man. This nigga Jay stay right behind this spot. On the road. He bullshitting. I know he gonna watch the video too. Yeah, you bullshitting. You supposed to be here before me. I'm here before you. Fuck going on, bro? I know there ain't another G. Oh nah. Oh yeah, that is. Shoot 50. And make sure if you're new to the channel, bro, fuck with me. Like, comment, subscribe, fuck with your boy, man. We're grinding for this little 300 subs, man. We're gonna get there soon. Eating me a little snack right now. Girl keep looking at me. I know I look good, but damn, can I breathe? Oh, now that nigga wanna pull up. That bit hard, I ain't gonna lie to you. Why nigga got pull right here? I'm about to get copyright. Copyright? I'm about to copyright. Say now, what's up though? Shit, man. Hey, this shit's good, bro.
I know. I meant to put you on.
Nah, nigga. Nigga always trying to put me on, bro. I ain't gonna lie, he do he put me on though. Damn, bro, you supposed to beat me here.
I didn't know we were coming here.
Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, I was when it comes to the crib, come to your crib.
He was meeting at the crib. I was laying down on the fucking floor.
Yeah.
Sitting there. That nigga moving slow, bro. I mean, we're supposed to be late.
I don't know, bro, but I know one thing, bro. I'm hungry.
We're supposed to be there about 6:30.
Oh, here go that nigga.
They don't unlock the doors on time. I hear that beach there.
He not even gonna hit it. Why he coming in like that, dude? He gotta come in. See, bro, he get us in trouble all the fucking time, bro. Look at that boy. This nigga got the shades on. He cool. He got the glasses on. Look at bro. Nigga clean. That nigga clean. Bro too clean with it. ain't gonna lie, bro. We definitely gotta watch that shit.
Since everybody got dressed up,
Oh yeah, everybody, you see the drip? You see the drip? And I gotta play the song. You know I gotta play the song. Look at my Damn, what's up, boy? My boy clean though. You know? I know that ain't that new chick, Glock. That boy. What y'all know about that? Oh.
hey, look, hey, Dave. Hey, look, I had to pull a U this morning.
Yeah, what?
Got the phone and took a picture like me.
That what? Oh, snap.
Hey, Corey, man, let me see the back of the phone. You know, come on, kid. Come on.
That boy got the new.
Come on.
Damn, we all got new phones. That shit crazy.
Well, y'all got like that.
Yeah? How long you had yours?
I got it in December.
Oh, yeah. All right, bro, let's make that move.
Okay, if he says anything around Raleigh, Capital, then yeah, I'll go. But he said Durham.
Nah. What he say, bro? What he say?
said, I'm going to all 4 spots tonight. So if we end up in Durham, North Carolina. Sir. You
Trey, can you confirm he said this?
It works, Ryan.
I know that's your guy, but you gotta.
Oh my God.
He did say that shit, no cap.
If he goes to Durham, I'm not going.
Nah, Durham is the truth, but Durham is not far from where we at right now.
I ain't gonna lie. If we go there, I gotta get some more gas, bro.
I mean, I'm saying like right above half a tank, so
So how about y'all go to Durham and let me know how I go?
How about you get in the passenger seat, little bitch?
Because if he go, he said we going to Durham. This G is going to Durham.
How about you put your car, leave your car over there, and we just go there?
I was how you we just pick 2 cars.
Listen, I know you're giving up gas money.
Nigga, the 37 is better on gas than the 30.
Nigga, I just beat a whole V8.
Hey man, tell the people what just happened,
You know what I'm
man.
saying? The slow G35 over there just gapped the Pontiac G8, you know what I'm saying?
That nigga was slow, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to line up beside him, bro, but fuck.
I was in front of that nigga, bro, on the float. Gapped him.
Nigga, when you was trying to get my attention, I thought you were trying to tell me like the police was back there or some shit.
No,
I seen a
There
charger.
was a police across from us. That's why I said be cool.
Oh yeah.
Where the light right here. The cop was on this side, but he was going the opposite way. That's why I said be cool.
That's what I was saying.
Bro, I definitely
I
I definitely
where the fuck you were.
I ain't gonna lie, I definitely gotta get some brakes though.
That shit was fun.
Somebody's car was smoking it.
That be the thing, like I be wanting to get in front, bro. Be like, oh no, where the fuck we going?
I didn't know where we were going. That's the first time I didn't know where we were going. There we go.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all see the G's, man. It's always us 3 together, you feel me? Let me show them the lights though.
After today, I'll no longer call the G slow. After that, I'm no longer calling the G slow.
Can't, bro. I'm just ready to go get mine. I can't even say it because I'm feel me? I gotta say it off camera. I'm ready to go get y'all know. When I start working on that shit, I wanna. That boy. I know for a fact my shit hot.
My shit's hot as fuck. Somebody's car, I think that G8 was smoking. When we pulled up to that light before the bridge, somebody.
It was me because I smelled my butt burning.
Oh no, it was coming from the hood. Oh, it won't be.
I don't know about all that burning, but I know you can feel heat from mine.
Can no longer call the G slow. Damn, bro, I just get. That's the power of the intake.
I can't even show the hood, bro. You want me to show? You want me to show what's under the hood or not?
I mean, you can. It stopped. What do you?
He said it stopped. My boy got the intakes. What intakes do you use?
What's that shit called?
DC?
BCP, yeah.
Oh.
But you know she finna get changed out for that Z1. You know what I'm saying?
Z1. There go my boy IG, bro. Y'all go fuck. Is that Food Line over there?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh no, they get the G out here. Got the G8.
Y'all find out where that meet at?
No, hell no. Oh, he finally text Trey back. He ain't text me back.
Wait a second.
Damn, it's dark as hell. Slow down, future. Slow down. Copyright. I already got the shit in you for me. Niggas finna go get some food now, man. I'm feeling this camera though. Got a nigga looking. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Niggas was racing. I wanted to get that man so bad, bruh. Little bro got a little, he got a little pop. Hey, Trey. Yeah. Little bro, he got some pop to it.
That big got some poppity pop, boy. They got that popcorn.
What you do to it, bro?
I changed my gas miles on my shit. So it's double more power, but that gets more power though.
And that's close over there. I know that's something to do.
Let me light my shit up.
Shit, that bitch doing that road, that bitch. I walked the whole way.
What's up? You gonna hop on the highway with us?
Nah, y'all need to be back. Y'all need to go by me probably like by the time I hit full gear, nigga. That's like 40. I ain't lying, nigga. I reached 40 miles per hour at fucking full gear, nigga.
We don't be going that fast now.
Y'all need some speed genius, nigga. As soon as y'all touch that motherfucking asphalt, y'all need to run it down.
I ain't gonna lie. Soon as I see 3 lanes, I'm gone.
That nigga go faster than 80 miles.
I went 100 by the day, bro. My shit. It took forever though.
You said you hit 100?
Yeah.
What's the highest you hit up there?
Shit, after I changed the shit on that motherfucker, so I hit 85, but this shit hit 100 now. This nigga done bought the camera car.
This shit's hard though. Okay. Got a horse right there. What's good with y'all, bud?
What's good? What's good? Oh, shit. What?
He did change it.
Damn.
On this side.
Oh, did you have the diffuser before too or no?
Nah, I just put that shit on. Oh, that shit. I thought the drink was on this side.
Nah, it's on that side.
Yeah, he got that.
Turn him on. Oh,
He got that motherfucker. Oh yeah, that bitch hard.
Yeah.
I'll get one of these. Just so I can't lose.
He trying to step on niggas' necks coming out like that on bro.
Man, I remember when my God Cole's first
Y'all go ahead, follow my boy.
Man, I know
out
you
to-
remember that night, Cole, when you first got this.
Yo, we was standing up going all the way to night though. Nah, that day we went.
Hey, Car, tell them boys what you did. Shit.
She still stalking.
He said he putting on for the 35s out there. Oh yeah, his shit hard.
This shit's be putting me to sleep. God.
Nigga, I was in my room, church, nigga.
God damn. No, sis didn't take the wheel.
I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with these wheels though. Okay.
I'm not even mad at you. They look good though.
What? What, his wheels? Yeah, that shit hard. I like this shit right here though.
Yeah, they just look good. Good.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this shit.
I got the.
You know they got that shit for the 37s.
What?
But it's like carbon
That hood?
fiber. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, if I get that,
Whose car is this? Oh, that's the guy you be with.
this shit hard.
This shit hard.
This is the same one, my uncle got this shit. Bro, look at the front of that bitch. That shit is aggressive. Not gonna lie. His shit is. Same engine, bro.
Yeah, go ahead, give me a pull. Let me hear. I wanna hear.
Let me get it. He said his shit loud. And air car loud in this bitch.
Damn, that's a dark ass thing.
What'd you do?
I thought your uncle shit was loud.
Wait, he coming this way? Damn! me see some.
Oh, yeah,
Let me see some. I ain't gonna lie, that shit loud. That shit loud.
Okay, and I would.
That shit just confused.
This for that reason.
You get more power.
I ain't gonna lie. When he get back here, I got to see what he got done to that shit.
He got a white pipe and test pipes.
Oh, for real?
And so many.
Check out with, what's the brother name with the BB? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you know it, no? What the new phone? Come on, stop playing. Nah, but you said yeah.
Must have those ball, bro. You stupid as hell.
I can't lie to you, bro. That bitch is hard, dog.
That shit is fucking wild.
That shit is hard, bro.
All right, Carlos, your turn.
Yeah, I definitely like his tail.
Come on.
I want to hear that. I want to hear Jason roar. Like my license plate says.
Y'all go follow that man IG right there. Show love.
Yeah, there you go. Nah, hell no. I want a pool. Nah, hell no.
Oh, you finna give a pull?
Come on, give me a pool.
Hey, hold on, hey. That motherfucker again. That bitch, hey. I ain't gonna lie. You got some pressure back there, my guy.
You got some intake.
Shorty got some pressure back
in
there.
there.
Let's tell everybody what you finna do, though.
I'm not telling nobody nothing.
Why? Hey, yo, tell him what my man's finna do, bro.
Some dumb shit.
They gotta spin the blue G.
Why you looking like that, bro?
Hey, when you think that car, don't turn that bitch over in the ditch, bro.
Hey, you shut the fuck up. You better not turn your fucking rack over.
Let me show y'all, boys.
You
Look.
already done lost the deck. Why you just? You
took
know,
it
you said
off,
you didn't
man.
want it no more. I would have took the whole roof rack off. I ain't gonna lie to you.
My boy done went through some ties already. Go ahead, show him your little intro dance. Where you- My boy done went through some ties already before.
My shit might not start.
Bro, your shit might not start.
It really might not go, bro. I really don't honestly think it's gonna start.
I'm not gonna lie. That shit, exactly. Niggas be lying.
You still want to race him?
Hey, that Genesis is hard though. Race who? The who? That shit not stuck, bro. I know for a fact. Alright, y'all, my boy about to got there spin the G. I'm finna get y'all boys some footage.
Heard me. Hell yeah. Alright, is everybody ready to go? They're gonna piss me. Yeah,
Before you do this, what you gotta say, bro, before you get into this shit?
Look, if this is ugly, I'm sorry. It looks better when I have the right tires on, but I have one bad tire. So it's not gonna spin it. Hey, guess what? Fuck it, dude.
Fuck it.
I got my next set of tires in bitch.
That bitch already done went through tires. I need some heat. I need some heat.
It don't work.
Instagram got it first. Bro, let me find out you lost it, cuz. Oh yeah. God damn. Hey. I ain't gonna lie, my God. Hey, that's for the vlog. That's it.
That bitch swung.
Oh, who the fuck is that? Him? Hey, give me a pull. Damn. I ain't gonna lie.
He do.
I ain't gonna lie, my God. Nigga did it. Nigga, I know you ain't about to do a burn right here. Fuck is you doing, my God? Hey. Hey, what you finna do?
Come on, swing this bitch. Oh, we'll drive. Grab the tire rack.
Hey, swing that motherfucker. Swing that motherfucker. Hey!
Alright, bro, get on, bro. Ride over. This ain't Uber Eats.
But he said,
This ain't Uber Eats.
Oh, I got a cramp. Oh,
Bro, that bitch. That bitch slung, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that
these are fresh
shit.
ass marks, bro.
That bitch.
I ain't gonna lie, my
I try to
guy.
keep it out wide too.
Where you at, bro?
I gotta watch that big deal.
You did it, cuz. I ain't gonna lie.
Appreciate it.
I get at a 10.
I could have did better, but I'm gonna get some new tires and I'll hit y'all back up. I heard it.
Bro say he wanna check his tires here, bro.
No, it's this. Let's go.
Here, take the phone so you can get what you guys see. Type shit.
These shits are too fucking. These are not the right tires. I just had to get a tire because my thread was showing. This shit's for trucks.
Damn.
That's why my. Damn, I got hella fucking tires.
I ain't gonna lie, your tire good though.
They both good.
No cap.
See, that it's not the right size tire. It's too thick.
I was about to say that shit is thick. I gotta get a new tire. For the right.
Hold it on, dragging, bro.